Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Adams Rite part number 91-0459 Mortise Kit Deadlatch. This is a Mortise kit for a Deadlatch application. The 3090 series E-Force lock, 3090-150, that can operate on either a Deadlatch or a dead bolt application. And this is the drive or the cam assembly that you require for a Deadlatch application. One of our screws has gotten stuck. This is going to be require to possibly be re-handed. Two different cams are going to be included. If you need to do that, there'll be just those two screws for you to remove. It's not going to prove to be too big of a challenge. Okay. There is a link below this video to the document called Template for E-Force 150. It's really a parts drawing, and we have a proper parts drawing listed there for it. It's the same document, just in a two-page sort of condition. Mortise Kit Deadlatch. So the way, of course, the lock is going to engage the linkage that will retract the latch or unlock the bolt has to be different because of the function of a latch, a spring-loaded latch versus a deadbolt. You're going to receive, pardon me, there's also a link below this video to the cut sheet for the 3090-150 that will give you an overview of the function of the entire lock. And you can see in the second page there the how to order that you do have to specify the 3090-01 for a latch or an 02 for a deadlock, and obviously you're going to get the proper Mortise kit or cam plug assembly for that. This will obviously go onto the back of your E-Force trim. You're going to lock that into your device. Screws are included. Let's see if we can find some installation instructions for the 3090. For the 3090, there are installation instructions by the time you see this video that will be listed there, and you will see a reference to the cam, a cam plug is what I would call this, and the latch version is on their page 12. Installation instructions are laid out very odd. Step 3. So the unit, when it's going to come with a dead bolt, you can see its cam plug, which is figure 12. Same shell and concept, except again that it operates differently. When you're doing the latch, you're going to look at their figure number 7 or 8 as shown in step 3. So when you order the lock with the 01 variant for a latch, I believe it was 01, configure the supplied cam plug to match the hand of the door. You'll note that this has RHR listed on it, and this has LHR. That is obviously for left-hand reverse and right-hand reverse applications. So be mindful. This one has RHR automatically attached to it. Insert into latch case with notch on cam plug aligned with latch case set screw. Tighten, set screw, and secure with the two brass cam plug screws. So what they're saying is this is going to go into the lock body. First, loosen the small set screw accessed from the edge of the door. Loosen that. Insert this in, and you're going to secure the set screw into this groove or to this groove, depending on the installation or the hand of the door. Once you have that, you'll use the two included screws to then secure it to the body itself. And that's how the cam plug is going to sit permanently in the lock body, so that you can then bring the E-Force trim to it. Other than that, there's nothing else to discuss about this. Why might you buy this? I suppose you could have ordered it wrong incorrectly, for a dead latch, or pardon me, a dead bolt. And perhaps maybe it failed or fatigued. Maybe the cam went bad. Over time, with enough use, everything will certainly wear out. I don't know why this client ordered this exact piece, of what the cause of ordering it was, but either failure or error would be my guess. But the installation instructions are there because it's handy to be able to go over the entire unit should you need to. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Adams Rite products that we sell. On that page are all the Adams Rite products we sell, a link to the parts drawing. Not every item has an exploded parts drawing published from Adams Rite, we have found, but all those that we have access to are certainly listed there. Of course, a link to the manufacturer's website. There is one additional piece that I forgot to mention. If you happen to be working on a concealed vertical rod exit device, they're going to include part number 12, which is the which will end up being the cam for the concealed vertical rod device. Okay, and that will have its own tiny little screw. That must communicate to the exit device itself. I had to do a little bit of research on what that part really was. It's not obvious, or it's not quite detailed in these devices, but with the Mortise kit Deadlatch, it's not indicated that you're getting, in this part number, in the parts drawing, they're not showing you that you're getting part number 12, which is the 91-0160, the concealed vertical rod kit. Well, you're getting it. And that's... I don't understand why they're sending it. I don't know that it was a mistake that it was included here. It may have been. So this is basically a tailpiece adapter is what they'll call it otherwise. And this will be used... So the point is, this is a 3190. Pardon me. This is an adapter for an E-Force for a 3090 trim. If you're putting that trim onto a concealed vertical rod exit device, which you could be, you are definitely looking at, you would certainly require the concealed vertical rod adapter. Now, this is going to be connected to the inside of the exit device with its tiny little screw. So I'm including it in this video only because it was in the package, and I don't know if it's normally supposed to come. I'm tempted to say that no, it's not. I mean, if you're ordering a Mortise kit Deadlatch, a 410459-02, you're not using a concealed vertical rod exit device at all. So, if you order it and this is not included, I would probably conclude, yeah, that makes sense to me. I don't see why it is included. I could be wrong, naturally, but I don't see why this is included. Finally, there are, again, several links below this video detailing supporting documentation. Speaking of supporting documentation, there is plenty of it on the link to the manufacturer's catalog page below this video. The manufacturer's catalog, all the Adams Rite products we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, parts drawings, other documentation, any sort of encyclopedic knowledge. That's where we'll end up putting that information. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite number 91-0459-02 or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.